Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's bright and early, and I'm excited to share with you my 6 a.m. morning routine. If you're looking for an energizing way to kickstart your day, you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through a series of stretching and strengthening exercises that will leave you feeling ready to take on anything. This routine is simple, quick, and super effective. So grab your mat, get comfortable. If you're ready to wake up your body and feel amazing, make sure to watch until the end. Trust me, these stretches are going to make all the difference. But before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more fitness tips. Now, let's get stretching. 1. Plank reverse fly, 10 to 15 reps each side. The plank reverse fly helps strengthen your shoulders, back, and core, all of which are essential for posture and stability. Plus, it's great for improving balance. It's a killer move that targets multiple muscle groups at once, so it'll really get your heart pumping and boost that metabolism. 2. Elbow push plank. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute. This exercise targets your entire core, your abs, obliques, and lower back. And it also works your arms and chest. It's perfect for building endurance and helping you engage your core throughout the day. The elbow push plank improves posture and helps protect your lower back, which is something we could all use, right? Third leg exercise, 10 to 15 reps each leg. Leg raises target your thighs and hips, while leg swings help loosen up your hip flexors, which can get tight from sitting all day. Strengthening your legs improves your overall movement and stability, whether you're walking, running, or just getting out of bed in the morning. 4. Bodyweight squat, 15 to 20 reps. Make sure to keep your knees behind your toes, chest lifted, and go down as deep as you can while keeping good form. Bodyweight squats are amazing because they don't require any equipment, and they're one of the best exercises for improving leg strength and balance. Plus, they help burn fat and boost your metabolism, perfect for getting your day started with energy. 5. Stretches with muscles. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds each stretch. Stretching helps improve your flexibility, reduce muscle tightness, and increase your range of motion. Plus, it feels amazing. When you stretch regularly, you'll notice you feel less stiff and more agile. So take your time with these stretches. Feel the tension melt away and take a few deep breaths as you hold each position. 6. Bent leg stretch. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds each leg. Lastly, we've got the bent leg stretch. This is one of my favorites because it targets both your hip flexors and lower back, which are areas that can get tight during the night. All you have to do is lie on your back and pull one knee towards your chest while keeping the other leg extended. This helps release tension in your lower body and gives your spine a nice stretch. Bent leg stretching is great for relieving back pain and improving flexibility in the legs and hips. And that's it for my 6 a.m. morning routine. I hope you feel energized and ready to take on your day. These exercises are simple, but they're super effective, and they'll help improve your strength, flexibility, and overall mobility. Plus, if you do this routine consistently, you'll notice some serious improvements in how you feel throughout the day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fitness tips and routines. Let me know in the comments how your morning routine goes. I'd love to hear how you're getting your day started. Stay fit, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.